I am showing a figure which depicts the exact image of a hemisphere, exact image of a hemisphere with total surface area. With total surface area, if I say a sphere, if I am talking about a sphere, so in sphere, the total surface area, the total surface area is equal to curved surface area. Keep it in mind, very important. In a sphere, total surface area is equal to curved surface area because all the area in a sphere is a curved surface area. Clear? So I can say that total surface area is equal to curved surface area. In hemisphere, but in hemisphere, the curved surface area is different and total surface area is different. If I shade a curved surface area, so as right now these two are looking same, and if I shade this area, this is curved surface area, and if I shade both the head and the body, the lid, उसका ढक्कन, the lid and the curved surface area, if they combine, gives the total surface area as shown in the figure. So right now this ball is just a curved surface area of a hemisphere. This ball is just a curved surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? So look like this. I have drawn this figure. I have drawn this figure. As you can see, I have drawn this figure. I just draw this curve and draw this circle. Here, this circle. I have drawn this circle and this curve, just like here. So this is curved surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? Keep it in mind, this is curved surface area of a hemisphere. But if I put a lid over it, if I put a lid over it, clear? So now it become a total surface area of a hemisphere. Now it become a total surface area of a hemisphere. Clear? So this lid, as I draw it here, this lid I have drawn it here. So So what will be the formula of curved surface area? So curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Just half the total surface area. Just half the total surface area. Half of the total surface area. Clear? This is the formula of curved surface area of a hemisphere. But if I talk about total surface area, if I talking about total surface area of a hemisphere, so it will count curved surface area plus area of a top. Curved surface area plus area of the top. So what is the curved surface area? That is 2 pi r square. What is the area of the top? So top is look like a circle. Top is look like a circle. So what is the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. If you are not comfortable with it, just take pi r square common. So you are left with 2 plus 1 here. So it will give you 3 pi r square. Clear? So this is the formula of total surface area of hemisphere, and this is the formula of total surface area of a sphere, and this is the formula of curved surface area of a hemisphere. So I have introduced one formula for Surface area of a sphere, curved surface area and total is same, that is 4 pi r square. And at hemisphere, when I come to the hemisphere, the curved surface area is different and total surface area is different. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square, total surface area is 3 pi r square. Just note it down everyone.